To determine the formula of the escape velocity, if any object is thrown in upward direction with the escape velocity, the initial velocity is equal to the escape velocity. Initial velocity is equal to the escape velocity. जर आपण एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट एस्केप व्हेलॉसिटी एवढ्याने जर अपवर्ड डायरेक्शनने थ्रो केला तर दॅट ऑब्जेक्ट रिचेस बियॉन्ड द अर्थ ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फील्ड. तर तो इट रिचेस अर्थ ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फील्ड, दॅट मीन्स इट गोज टू ए इनफायनाइट डिस्टन्स. तो इनफायनाइट डिस्टन्सपर्यंत जात असेल. अँड बिफोर दिस वी नो दॅट द ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स is inversely proportional to the distance. You have studied F is inversely proportional to the d square. If the distance goes on increasing, म्हणजे इथं आपण अभ्यास केले की ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स इज इन्व्हर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्क्वेअर ऑफ द डिस्टन्स. इफ डिस्टन्स इज इन्फायनाइट, the gravitational potential energy is the force becomes zero. You have studied आणि याचा उपयोग आपल्याला करायचा आहे. When object goes beyond the earth gravitational field, when we take the initial velocity of that object is approximately or more than the escape velocity, at this time that object goes beyond the earth gravitational field. How will determine the formula of the escape velocity? If we take the m is the mass of the object, if object is thrown in upward direction with the initial velocity is equal to the escape velocity, that object goes beyond the earth gravitational field. It is free from the force of gravity and it reaches a infinite distance. At this time the force becomes zero. M is the mass of the object, and to determine when object is thrown in upward direction, how many total amount of the energy of that object on the surface of earth and at a infinite according to the law of conservation of energy. The kinetic energy on the surface of the earth is nothing but the half mv escape square. M is the mass of the object, v is the escape velocity of that object. When we thrown that object from the surface of the earth, the velocity is maximum just on the surface of the earth. Then potential energy, you have studied it. Potential energy is always considered minus gm m divided by r. You have studied it. The potential energy on the surface of the earth. The total amount of the energy on the surface of earth E1 is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy, and this is equal to E1 is equal to half mv escape bracket square plus minus gmm divided by r, where capital M is the mass of the earth, small m is the mass of the object, r is the radius of the earth on the surface of the earth. Then when it is thrown at a infinite distance, where on the surface of the earth, and it is when object is thrown in upward direction at a infinite distance, the kinetic energy is equal to zero. Because beyond when the velocity goes on decreasing, when it reaches a maximum distance, kinetic energy becomes zero, and potential energy is equal to gmm divided by r. That means that distance is infinite distance, therefore the potential energy becomes zero. At an infinite distance, the total amount of energy E2 is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. At infinite distance, it becomes zero. And according to the law of conservation of the energy, E1 is equal to E2. Put up the value of the E1 and E2 in it. Half mv escape square minus gmm divided by r is equal to 0. We want the value of the v. Therefore, half mv escape square is equal to g capital M small m divided by r, and therefore v escape square is equal to 2 g capital M small m divided by, where small m get cancelled, 2gm divided by r. This is the formula in the form of a square. Therefore, V escape is equal to, taking square root both sides, V escape is equal to square root of 2gm divided by r. When we put up these values, but at the place of the g by r, you can take V escape is equal to square root of 2gm, 2gr. When we put up the value of the capital G, it will get G is equal to gmm divided by r square. When we put up the value of the capital G, it will get V escape is equal to 2gr. This is the formula of the escape velocity. When we put up the values of the G 9.8 and R is equal to 6.4 into 10 raised to 6, it will get V escape velocity is equal to 11.2 kilometer per second. That means the maximum velocity is necessary of the any object to go beyond the earth gravitational field, that is nothing but the 11.2 किलोमीटर पर सेकंद. ज्यावेळेस आपला अर्थ ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फील्डच्या बाहेर एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट थ्रो करायचा असेल, एस्केप करायचा असेल, त्यावेळेस आपल्याला त्याची इनिशियल व्हेलॉसिटी कमीत कमी 11.2 किलोमीटर पर सेकंड घ्यावं लागेल. आणि एअरक्राफ्टमध्ये जर आपल्याला हे जर spacecraft, when we send any object in the spacecraft, that means on the moon or on the other planet, at this time the initial velocity of that object is necessary 11.2 kilometer per second. When we take the velocity of the any object is 11.2 kilometer per second, only at this time that object goes beyond the earth gravitational field and reaches on the any planet. This is the formula of the escape velocity. पुढच्या पिरियडमध्ये आपण याचे प्रॉब्लेम घेणार आहोत.